What the heck? I've never seen this before.
This smells like Windex.
Teddy's gonna break this thing into a million pieces. What is up, you guys? We're here today at the Braille house to do another skate experiment. Woo! What do we have here, Dan?
It's not Kool-Aid. We have blue Gatorade.
So we have roughly 8 gallons of planes. So we have a little over 8 gallons of Windex.
Not only that, but look at one bottle is the same power as 3 squirt bottles.
No, I think it just means that 3 squirt bottles worth of Windex is in this one bottle. That's what it means.
That doesn't make any sense.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that means we have 45 mini bottles worth of Windex.
What does it taste like?
And what we're gonna do is submerge this here skateboard in all of this Windex for a full 24 hours to see what happens to the structural integrity of
Bless you.
of the skateboard. Can we not splash? So let's go ahead and start dumping these in here. Windex scent really do just be hitting different sometimes. Oh, that smell is just
I don't know if it's good or bad.
absolutely terrible. Dang, I don't even think we're gonna need this much Windex. Maybe we should save a bottle.
What if you had your car and you had a car wash, but with Windex instead of water?
These trucks better be the shiniest trucks of all time.
You know what I read this morning? Well, right when I woke up, I went on the Twitter. And I read the most.
He doesn't need this in his life. You can't come back from it, kid.
Once you learn how to read, you can't stop reading.
What does that mean?
So you always read.
Look at the front of that bottle and try not to read it.
You can always read.
Wait, is the board floating?
Yeah, floating.
What the heck? All right, well, let's cover it up, and in 24 hours, we will pull it out to let it dry, and then we will go to Fremont Skate Park to make Aaron put it to the test.
Take a look at our work.
Man, we have full submersion. That's pretty. Okay, Dan, we are back. It is now Friday afternoon. It's actually been in here for about 26 to 27 hours, so even more than the bleach, even more than the Coca-Cola. Before we take it out, we're just gonna do a few little observations to see where we stand. First off, Dan pointed out that the bearings,
They seem to be spinning very well.
they seem to be good. I don't know what's gonna happen when they're outside of water and they no longer spin and are dried out. We'll see what happens, but from what I can see, the trucks have delambed, so the actual metallic finish on the truck has started coming off and is now like chrome instead of like the dark black or gray. Okay, so you look at this. The board glue is completely being taken out of the middle of the board. The layers, I'm pretty sure if you like pried something in there, you'd be able to pull it apart. Hey Dan, go ahead and give this a feel right here. I don't know what this feeling
It
is.
feels slimy.
It feels, Dan, it feels like slime. The graphic is chipping, I think?
Dude, that is weird. I've never seen this before.
And then the trucks, they feel relatively normal. There is like a residue that's coming off of them. Look at this. If you rub your hand along it. I don't know if that's really safe to touch. Look at, there's like residue
melting.
on my fingers. But I'm gonna take this out, I'm gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna take it to Fremont and put it to the test once it's dried.
What's the grip tape look like?
Oh, I forgot grip tape is the thing. Oh, that feels so bad. Dude, it's taking the grippiness completely. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the hell? Dude, it just comes off.
Oh, it does!
Oh my God. What the heck?
You can literally just peel it off with your finger.
Dude, what?
Put all the grip.
There you go, now it's a happy board. All right, cool, let's let it dry.
We're out here at the Fremont Skate Park. We're live on TikTok. Hey Gabe, what's happening? What's this? We're gonna do a video of Mr. Bonds live on TikTok. For real. This smells like Windex.
That's what it is.
Nothing smells better than Windex. We got 8 people online. Hey guys, we're gonna film a video. So, sorry. I guess I'm gonna have to come back later. You know, this is the first one of these I've been in.
Yep.
So I'm like a little short on the concept. We just test it and see how it works. You realize that this is a Walmart board. So it's already bad.
This is actually one of the best Walmart boards though.
Wait, hold a second. No Walmart board I've ever seen rolls that well.
That's what I told you, these are good, dude. So the idea with this series, you get as scientific as you can in explaining it.
That's easy. Okay guys, so Windex is 3/8 part water, 5/8 part Windex. So what it does to the board is it waterlogs it, but at the same time, the chemicals inside the Windex actually increase the board's pop. They increase the ability for the wheels to roll, because no Walmart boards have ever rolled this good. Not one ever, 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 ever. And it's just better. Like, it overall just makes the board better.
It took the finish off the trucks. The glue on the side was completely coming out of the flies.
but I'm not gonna lie to you. It actually feels poppier and better. Watch this, if I double flip this right now, it's the best Walmart board ever.
You almost overflipped it.
I'll do a single, double, triple. Single, double, triple. 1, 2. Right here, TikTok, let's go. It's a triple, it's a triple. Fetty, I need you. It's a Windex board, I need your help. Okay, tray flip, let's go. Before Fetty gets here. Never been so embarrassed. My shoe's fine. The grip tape dried, it's all good.
Wow.
Let's go. Right here, Fetty.
How's Fetty doing? Not good.
Ding dang-a-lang it.
All right, come on. You got to provide some analysis here, Aaron.
So at first I thought, wow, this is making the board better. And now I realize it's making the board even better than better.
Oh!
That count?
You could clean it up a little bit.
All right, I'll clean it up. Stolen by Fetty. First try!
We live on
live.
It's Braille _ skate on TikTok, no big deal.
Why is _ skate?
Because Braille skate was taken.
Are you kidding me?
Not
How does it scientifically feel, Fetty?
like Windex. The
Really,
Windex
really
made it
good.
really bad.
It's one of the best boards I've ever skated.
Fetty's gonna break this thing into a million pieces.
Yeah, he is. He's
can
already
tell.
starting to rage.
Yep.
Yeah. Yes, boy! Who's next?
Uzi.
Dan, you're up. Down to 5.
Okay, okay. Live TikTok stream, and I'm gonna go live on Instagram. What in the world? What are they feeding the kids here?
broccoli. Lots of broccoli.
I just want to point out that you could never do that on just a regular Walmart board. If the bearings had not soaked in Windex for at least 24 hours, it wouldn't roll fast enough to ollie over this.
You think so?
Yeah, I know so. Feel it. You've skated Walmart before. Those are the fastest bearings ever to be on a Walmart board.
Yeah.
You didn't tell me you were going there. My life flashed before my eyes.
You don't know with Dan, Aaron.
The Windex didn't slide very well.
Wow, you just freaking cut into the graphic. That's deep.
Windex is for windows, not skateboards.
Hey.
You need to lean back further.
Is it me or do these trucks look kind of bent?
It's a rod.
Or are they straight? Is it an optical illusion?
He's landing perfectly. You can do it. Wow. Wow.
What else you got?
I don't know. This thing's like
Scientifically analyze it. Go full Nigel
tell you,
Ryan Jones, the science guy.
right now, the width of this thing is partially too small. I don't really like it. These trucks seem a little bit, you know, fake-ish.
What to do?
These wheels and bearings, though, he is right. I don't know if it's the Windex power, or the bearing power, or the power, but something's going good with this one, except for the size. It does feel like a sock.
I don't think I've ever heard that description with from a skateboard before.
It's weird. It seems very, like, thin.
Ooh.
I don't have enough speed to get up there.
It is a silent board. In Walmart, they call it the silent killer.
That drop in was a little
What?
scary looking. You're up next, Dan.
no.
Dan, you are doing this.
No, I'm not.
I'm gonna bother you every day of your life until you do this.
Yeah, okay. Not today though.
You
I'm
know,
tired. I need water. It's just hot. He wants to do a flip trick.
The flippo trickos on it. Could probably flip so much. Oh my gosh, it flips so fast.
Do tray double
Think
flip.
720 flip?
No, tray double flip.
720.
Tray double flip.
All right, right here, Gabe.
That looked like a tray double flip, all right.
Let me try this too.
Frontside big flip?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Oh, I feel like I almost had that. That's hard. Takes a lot of energy. How about I do a double flip for you, Gabe?
First try.
Switch flip for you, Gabe.
You can't do
I
that.
got a roll switch though.
Dude, we're just playing a game of skate. All right, let's go.
Ah, I'm so tired.
Dang it.
Are we playing actual skate?
Just play SK8.
Back to back.
We started out with the switch flip.
Hey, these wheels feel
I
spongy.
love the way those wheels sound.
Defense. So small, I got a new trick. Never been tried before by anyone, ever, in the history of skating.
What was he trying?
Nollie tray.
You know what'll get him though? Watch.
I knew you can do that. I feel like I've been in the sauna on the sun.
I stand corrected. There's only one thing that we can do now.
Dang it.
I broke my back halfway through popping.
I feel like Aaron's probably an expert at this, but I'll try it anyway. Okay.
It's true, I am expert at that.
I
See
don't know
my
if he's being serious or if he's throwing shots at you.
skate supports. Why?
What trick you want, Gabe?
I would like a nice fakey kickflip.
This board is so small, I got a trick.
The bushings are weird. Like the Windex like melted the bushings a bit.
On the wheels.
Dolphin double? Le double ha. Yes! First try? Should I start real hard or go easy?
Real hard.
Try double flip.
Oh, the wheel bite.
I was landing on the crack. I would have landed that. It would have been the best if I ever
That was wheel bite, not the crack.
I got a trick.
Okay.
Nobody expects this one. Apparently I can't do it on this.
This is the best attempt I've ever seen at any trick ever.
This is a fun game with napkin wheels.
It is. Napkin wheels, game of skate.
I almost fell in the ball.
That's okay.
I knew it.
Send him home.
Finish him!
Wait, are we...
Would land that if it wasn't for Troy.
Oh my gosh! I don't know what the Windex did to it. It's not good. It's like it soaks up all of your force that you go to pop. It's just...
And cleans windows with it.
See what I mean?
Trying a varial
It
hill.
doesn't let you pop.
Nollie shifty.
Nollie shifty flip?
Yeah. Okay.
Ah, sick.
All right.
I wanted to do them both, just in case. Finish him, Gabe?
Finish him.
Oh.
Wait, finish him. Are we playing 3 letters?
SK8, brother.
8? I didn't know. I would have played differently.
I just told you.
I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you.
We can play ATE if you want me to get 2 more letters on you.
Yeah.
Got him.
That's what I signed up for.
Let's go.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
That was
Can
good.
be it like in
That was hectic
in the contest for ugliest trick of the year that I just did?
All right, Gabe, this for you, baby.
The TikTok fame has gone to his head.
All right,
We
now
all wanted you to
now you
fail.
can finish him. Aaron,
Oh, sorry.
can you do something for me? Nightmare flip.
Okay, let's go. No, it's so hard. I missed the pop.
I feel like I can't do anything on this board.
I want to set him out with something like real
Started out
good.
as fun, now it's turning to torture.
Well, you asked for it.
You know those playground things that are full of sponge? It's like skating on that. At Windex, I give a 1 out of 10.
Let's go.
I hate this board.
Congratulations, Aaron.
Thanks.
Wait!
That
One
was
do heel flip.
embarrassed. The
Heel
whole
flip,
time
oh, yeah.
I thought you had...
Dude!
Am I doing a trick?
Break it.
Break it?
Yeah.
Just like stomp it or
Yeah.
like
To each his own, okay?
3, 2, 1. That didn't work.
It's clear the Windex has made it indestructible. Whoa! I guess that was it. Gotta get Fetty to do the rest.
Windex for you.
Windex, not bad. Cleans windows, cleans bearings, helps your overall productivity, you know? It is what it is. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to skateboard. It is your time. Let's go. What should we soak a skateboard in next?